Hello! We learned to draw a cute fatty mouse in this video. First, we make a big oval shape on our paper with one side pointed end. Make a one side pointed of our oval. Now draw a shape for nose, and after this make a shape of eyes. After eyes, draw the shape of ears just above the eyes shape. Now draw the whiskers of mouse on the both side of nose, and also draw a smiley. It gives a cute look to our mouse. After completing the body and the face look, we make legs of our mouse. Draw some long curves towards the body shape at the lower side of body shape, on the front side and on the just before the end. Now go to the end part of the shape and draw a tail of our mouse with some curves. Our pencil sketch of our mouse is done. Now we start doing a pen line on our illustration. First, I draw the eye of mouse. Now give a final look to the body. First, I give the final touch to the face side. Draw the ear. Make the second one with pen. Make the lower body line with soft hand and whiskers. Final touch to whiskers of the mouse. Now make a cute smile. Draw the leg shape and remember to not draw a pen on the line which comes inside the leg. this thing carefully in the video. Draw the upper body line and the back side of our mouse. You can see I draw the pen line over pencil just outside of legs. Just completing the line. Make a final line on the tail, and after this follow our final step. Erase all the extra lines of pencil and your cute chubby mouse is ready. Bye bye.